लेफ्ट में आपके भैया जी, लेफ्ट 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 टर्न।
थोड़ा पीछे आ गया।
महेश महेश पीछे महेश।
स्टार्ट हो गया, फ्री आया।
सारा कैमरा लुक मैडम।
क्या स्टेडियम?
हमको तो लेने दे भैया को मेरे। ये भाई अंदर भी मत
भैया जी ये यो भैया जी
कौन है भाई? बताइए ना थोड़ा।
कोई आएगा?
महेश या
बुला लो
पिंपल सर
भैया लुक किया स्टेट
प्रशांत जी लेफ्ट में डायरेक्टर
भैया जी थोड़ा
79 हिंदी।
हाँ बोला ना
हाँ आपका लेना। हाँ चलो टुगेदर वन पिक्चर लुक हियर सर कैमरा लुक हियर सर मैम।
हमने क्या प्रोड्यूसर एकता प्रोड्यूसर को भेजा ना
यो भैया यो सेंटर
ओके
ओके डन।
हां एक और
हाँ चलो
छोटो
हाँ ओके सब लोग साथ में। चलो डन थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
इधर इधर लो सामने जी
चलो थैंक यू। कैमरा नहीं मिल रहा। या ओके थैंक यू। चलो आ जाओ। अरे ये कहाँ से आ जाता है? सुनील शेट्टी। सुनील शेट्टी।
अरे अरे बाबा सब
तू रोकना 2 सेकंड रोकना सबको 2 मिनट
चलो बाहर चलो यार सब
रोका
Just
रोका
a second. Let me just.
अरे रुक
जाओ भाई।
नहीं रोक लेना रोक ले
अरे भाई क्या यार सब वही आएगा
नहीं फिर सबको नहीं लेना भाई मत लेना भाई
चलो फिर चलो यार
वे राजेश लाइट बंद करेगा पीछे। उनका शूट मत कर।
अरे बस कर ये देख अरे हिमांशु भी छुट्टी करके बात कर ये गाली क्यों दे रहे हैं
थोड़ा यो वाला चल
चल चल चल
ये भाई
इवेंट हो रहा है क्या भाई चल तू चल 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 एक मिनट चलो अंदर नहीं आएंगे चल अंदर नहीं आएंगे चल लोग सकते हो तुम चल अंदर नहीं आएंगे चल भाई चल लेके चलो ऐसे लोग अंदर नहीं आएंगे अरे छोड़ ना यार तू ऐसे लोग अंदर नहीं आएंगे अरे भाई जाने दे यार बैठिए हां तो वो
अरे भाई या प्रिया जस्ट फ्यू एक्शन नहीं करने का थोड़ा नहीं करने का इससे बात करना कर लेगा नहीं करने का बोला ना वन मोर मत कर जा थैंक यू अरे क्या आज क्या हो रहा है क्या कर रहा तो ऊपर छूट कर रहा उसको मना किया नहीं मैं कर दूंगा सबको मना
मिला
one picture. ऐसे
भैया जी ये कैमरा ये दिस है। चलो हमें से पीछे आइए सर
ये साइड क्या उल्टा क्यों हो रहा है
अभी ये सर अभी एक गली लगा दो।
रुको ना, आ रहे
कैन यू कम क्लोज ऑल ऑफ यू?
यहाँ कम क्लोज है
एक जन नहीं आ रहा है।
नहीं जा रहे सर, पीछे पीछे जाओ रे, तमिल सर बोल रहे, सीनियर आदमी बोल रहे, इतना समझ नहीं आ रहा कोई का। ये तमिल सर आइए
या डन, थैंक यू।
डन, थैंक यू ना, चलो डन, थैंक यू, आ जाओ। चलो ये बाबा इधर
English. Okay. Shall I tell them everything about you first so that they get the idea what you are? Okay.
Good evening.
So,
Good evening, everybody. I am Prashant Mabulle. I am the director in this movie. This movie, suspense thriller movie. I glad to introduce Priya Prakash Warrior in Southern Bollywood film industry. I expect your praise and support with us. After watching this teaser, you think something behind this movie. Yes, something behind. This is, you first see this teaser. You are all support with us, and thank my producers, Mr. P.N. Pibble sir, and Chandrasekharan sir, and Robin Gilbert. This is a big budget movie. It's making all UK. Thanks, my dream movie making. Okay, thank you.
okay. इन्होंने कहा कि इनके सपनों की मूवी है जो इन्होंने जो प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया। ये पूरी मूवी लंदन में शूट होगी। पहले मैं इनके बारे में बता दूं कि इन्होंने काफ़ी वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाए हुए हैं। जैसे कि फिल्म मेकिंग में इन्होंने टोटल 8 फिल्में बनाई हैं। सबसे पहले जो भगवान मूवी बनाई थी 2009 में, वो 19 घंटे में पूरी की थी। इट्स अ रिकॉर्ड। और अपना ही रिकॉर्ड उन्होंने बाद में तोड़ा जो सुग्रीव एक कन्नड़ा मूवी बनाई थी उसमें, जो 17 घंटे में बनाई थी। इट इज़ अगेन अ रिकॉर्ड। सो इस फिल्म में भी वैसा रिकॉर्ड बनाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा कमर्शियल है, बॉलीवुड है, तो ये लंदन में सिर्फ 12 दिन में ये शूट करेंगे और यहाँ पर 1 या 2 दिन शूट होगा। सो दैट इज़ द लिटिल बिट अबाउट मिस्टर प्रशांत। ओके, अब हम बुलाते हैं फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर्स को, NM पिंपले जी जो एडवोकेट भी हैं, दादा साहेब फाल्के जी से रिलेटेड भी हैं, चंद्रशेखर जी को, ये आराध एंटरटेनमेंट से हैं और जो बेंगलोर में स्थित है। इन्होंने बहुत सारी कन्नड़ा मूवी बनाई हैं। वेलकम सर। और लास्ट नॉट बट द लीस्ट, रोमन गिलबर्ट, ही इज फ्रॉम UK, ही इज बेस्ड फ्रॉम UK एंड ही इज ऑल्सो related or connected to this movie. बताइए आप इनसे एसोसिएट कैसे हुए और आपका अभी तक का जर्नी कैसा क्या रहा?
मैं भी साउथ से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मैं हैदराबाद का हूँ, लेकिन अभी मुंबई में बहुत सालों से होने के कारण बॉलीवुड में और रीजनल फिल्मों में मैं बहुत इन्वॉल्व हूँ। जब प्रिया प्रकाश के बारे में इन लोगों ने कहा कि हम लोग बॉलीवुड में इनको लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं और ऐसी ऐसी स्टोरी है, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि अरे एक साउथ वाले हिंदी मूवी बनाने के लिए आए हैं। और ये तो बहुत हमारी बड़प्पन की बात है कि साउथ की ही लड़की बॉलीवुड में हम लोग लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं। और जो भी टैलेंटेड डायरेक्टर है हमारे प्रशांत जी, उनके अंडर में, और सारी ये कहानी जो है ना सस्पेंस और थ्रिल थी। और इसके बारे में उन्होंने जब सुनाया मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। और ये लोग हिंदी भाषी नहीं होने के कारण मैंने कहा कि मैं हिंदी भाषी भी हूँ, मैं साउथ वाला भी हूँ, तो मैं आपके साथ जुड़ जाता हूँ। इन्होंने बहुत ही अप्रिशिएट किया मेरे जुड़ने से। देन यही कारण है कि आज हम लोग यहाँ जमे हैं और मैंने भी इसमें अपना हाथ बढ़ाने का पूरा कोशिश किया है। अभी 25 तारीख से हम लोग लंदन में शूट करने के लिए जा रहे हैं और हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब 5 कैमरा एक साथ चालू करके ये इस फिल्म को शूट करने वाले हैं और ये टेक्निक उन्हीं को मालूम है और ये टेक्निक बहुत गजब की होने वाली है कि एक साथ 5 कैमरे चलेंगे और शूट होगा। एक नया रिकॉर्ड होगा, ऐसा मुझे तो भी लगता है।
थैंक यू। हमको पता है कि आप यूके में काफ़ी इवेंट्स करते हैं, यू डू लॉट ऑफ इवेंट्स देयर इन यूके। व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैट इवेंट, दिस इवेंट एंड द फिल्म्स?
Especially, I'm the first time in this industry here because these are my friends. These are my friends. They just invite me to join with this function and this program and shooting the movies. Especially because the first time I think how I am going to do. Then after they told me this Priya Warrior. Then I just inquired about this. She is the wing queen. Secondly, newcomer. She have a very good calibration and capacity of doing this movie. And also, I 100% I hope this movie we can success. We are spending a lot of money about this movie. But still we hope and we have courage and we will finish this movie and it will become success. You all can watch on the end of the time the movie and you decide.
To the media.
Hi there, good evening everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Jim Jacob and here is my friend Bibi. So all of you are wondering why it is called 4 Musics. Basically we are 4 people. 2 of us are not here, unfortunately. And we hail from Cochin only, and we have done few movies in Malayalam industry with with a few of the biggest actors in Malayalam industry. And we have done one movie with Prashant Mambuli sir, and we have done our first break in the industry is with you all know the Priyadarshan, the director Priyadarshan. So we have done one movie with Priyadarshan sir, and that was the blockbuster which we got. And once again, I would like to thank the producers and especially Mr. Prashant, the director of the movie, because he's the person who took us from all the way from Mollywood to Bollywood. So we are so glad and we are so happy to be the part of this movie. And once again, thank you so much for the producers here for taking us on board for this movie. And once again, all the very best for the full entire crew and Priya. And I didn't get a chance to meet you. And so, hi sir. So once again, thanks a lot, and we hope you all will love the songs which we are going to do in this movie as well. And we have done the music for the teaser already, so hope you will enjoy it. At the same time, we ask for your prayers and support for the entire movie, and at the same time for a huge support for our songs at the same time. So once again, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
The information wrong then. Anyways, please welcome हमारे दूसरे कलाकार प्रियांशु चैटर्जी। आप इन्हें तो बहुत अच्छे से पहचानते हैं। कलाकार हैं मुकेश ऋषि, समीर सोनी, इन सबको भी आप जानते हैं।
क्लोज थोड़ा सा Hello, here, right side. Wait, done? Yeah. Done. Stay done. Okay, bhai, na? Thank you. Yes, sir. Aage. Ma'am, aage.
Yes, here.
Done?
Yeah, done.
Okay. All satisfied with the photos, videos, everything done? So we can now start? Okay. Let's start with Priya.
Good evening to everyone.
Keep silent, please.
First of all, I thank all of you for being here. Means a lot. This is going to be my first movie in Bollywood, and I hope all of you like the teaser. I need all your support and prayers for the movie too. Another thing I want to tell you is that my first movie, Oru Adar Love, is releasing on Feb 14th in 4 languages: Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada and Telugu. So guys, please go watch. I need all your prayers and support for that too. Apart from all that, I thank the whole team, the producers and the director Prashant sir for having faith in me. This is just my second movie. So thank you all. That's it.
Okay, so Mr. Asim.
Hi, good evening everyone. Hi. So I was approached by Mr. Prashant, and he told me about the story and also about the girl, the winking sensation of our country, Priya, and it was a brilliant script. And the most interesting thing which kind of grabbed my attention was the technical part of it, how he has conceived the entire story and how he's going to execute it, and the flow of the film. There are too many twists and turns in the film, which was very surprising, and I'm very much looking forward to work with him, with her, and sir. And by the way, I'm a big fan of the main first. So yeah, let's see. Hope for the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Priyanshuji.
Thank you for coming, all of you, and a very warm welcome to Priya. And first of all, congratulations. It's a big release, 4 languages. Wow, well done. And all the best for this one. I mean, we're all prepping, and Prashant sir and the whole team is here, and we're kind of scared, we're nervous, we're tensed, but we need your good wishes, and आशा करता हूँ आप सब हमारे साथ हैं और ये फिल्म ज़रूर कामयाब होगी. Anything else?
Now I got it. आपको कैसा लगा हम लोग कहते हैं कि साउथ इंडस्ट्री, नॉर्थ इंडस्ट्री, बॉलीवुड, मॉलीवुड, व्हाटएवर, तो आपको इनके साथ काम करके कुछ डिफरेंट लगा, या आपको लगा कि दिस इज ऑल इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री?
मुझे लगता है कि उद्देश्य एक ही होता है, द मोटिव इज टू मेक अ फिल्म दैट रियली connects with the audience and entertains everybody. So in that regard, I don't really think there's any disparity in the mind of any filmmaker. We're all the same. We're just trying to entertain in whatever way we can.
So thank you, because I am basically supporting, like, it's not a Hollywood, Bollywood or anything. It is just the Indian film industry, not a Gujarati film, not a Tamil, Telugu, whatever. It's an Indian film industry. That's what I'm trying to go ahead with. So that's why, thank you very much. So any other question from media?
Manshu. राजा भाई पीछे, राजा भाई पेनिंग शॉट है, राजा भाई वाला भी लोग आया इसी रखो कैमरा ले लो. Please clarify
whether the movie is related to Sridevi ji or not, that's up to you guys to decide. You guys have to watch the movie and then decide if it's related to her story or not.
Is this about the incident that happened during her sad demise? Because even she died in the same position what we have seen in the teaser. Or are you successful? Your marketing strategy, your marketing team successful? What you want audience to think about it?
As I said, it's up to you guys to decide if there's anything in the story which relates to Sridevi. So yeah.
Did you ever thought with your winking style make you so famous?
Not at all. That was an on-the-spot thing that we did. I never expected it to be this viral or accepted in any ways. But then I'm very happy and I'm feeling very blessed that it happened.
Are we going to see you playing Sridevi in the film?
Sorry?
Are we going to see you playing Sridevi in the film?
Yes, I'll be the female central role. I'll be playing Sridevi, who's an actress, who's a lady superstar in the movie.
Pransuja, good to see you.
What about your first
Likewise, brother.
one which is not
My first movie, which is Oru Adar Love.
Malayalam.
Yeah, it is a Malayalam movie and it's going to be released on Feb 14th in 4 languages, which is
going to be happening the very first time for a Malayalam movie being released in 4 languages. It's going to be released in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada.
And Kairali people, can you say some word for him? I'm here from Kairali people. Can you say some word for him?
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. എൻ്റെ ടീസർ, ആദ്യത്തെ ഹിന്ദി പടത്തിൻ്റെ ടീസർ ഇപ്പോൾ റിലീസായിരിക്കുകയാണ്. എല്ലാവരും കാണുക, ആക്സെപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. എല്ലാവരുടെയും പ്രാർത്ഥന വേണം. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഒരു ഹിന്दी മൂവി ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. എല്ലാവരുടെയും സപ്പോർട്ടും പ്രാർത്ഥനയും വേണം മുന്നോട്ട് പോകാൻ.
प्रिया जी, आपने जैसा कि हमने स्टार्टिंग में ही देखा, आपने अपने अंदाज से सारी दुनिया का जो है दिल जीत लिया था. इस फिल्म में कौन कौन सी ऐसी आपकी स्टाइल होगी, आपके ऐसे अंदाज होंगे जो सभी को बहुत पसंद आने वाले? क्योंकि हमने ट्रेलर देखा, टीजर देखा, जितना भी था बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. तो आप में कौन कौन सी स्टाइल होंगी जो लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आने वाली?
In this movie, I think the director has a lot of faith in me, and I really want to do justice to the role. And the character is a very bubbly person. At the same time, she's very bold, and she's very outspoken also. So I hope that I do justice to it. Yeah.
And it's really good to see you.
Thank
start
you.
with you. Though you belong to, there is no industry, as such industry, Tollywood, as she said rightly inside. But you know Bollywood very well. Sir, I hope I can understand your emotions. But we have to hear. Sir, really good to see you. Do you feel as an individual, because you have been part of the Hindi film industry and you have seen Sri Devi, and you also, witnessed the said incident. Does it give you a feel it is a story about Sri Devi, how she died?
I mean, it definitely creates a curiosity. It does create a curiosity, you're right about that. But then, whether the film has anything to do with that will only be answered when the film releases. So, I don't want to kill your curiosity.
Do you think it is right to encash something which is not that?
I don't think that was the idea. Because it's been a long time in works and in production and in writing and in preparation. So, but like I said, we don't want to reveal anything right now, and which is going to affect the fate of the film.
If I talk about you, what character you see you playing in the film?
It's a very interesting role. I've never done this before, and when Prashant Bhai, when he narrated it to me, I was excited. I was like, this is something that I've never done before. It's a very complex, complicated, yet at the same time sophisticated, flamboyant, and you never can tell, which way it's going to go.
And Priya ji, can you say about your preparation in the film? As your playing so how's your preparation and how's the experience in this character?
As I told you guys, it's just my second movie, so I think I can do my best here. And I'm preparing well for it. I've not done any homeworks as such, but then I think I can do it.
Priya, you're about to enter Bollywood. Do you have any favorites? Do you have any, have you seen Bollywood movies? Do you have any favorite actors or actresses which you can?
I do watch a lot of Bollywood movies, and my favorite is obviously Deepika Padukone. Who doesn't love her? The actor is obviously Ranveer Singh.
एंड प्रिया जी, क्योंकि उरी की स्क्रीनिंग में भी आपकी मुलाकात हुई रणवीर सिंह से, बहुत सारे एक्टर्स से मुलाकात हुई, कुछ आपकी बातें हुई कि आपका प्रोजेक्ट उनके साथ में करने की, एंड वहाँ पर हमने देखा विकी कौशल भी थे, वरुण धवन भी थे, तो अगर आप कुछ बता सकें हमें.
It was the very first time that I'm meeting all these people, so it was very new to me, but then I really had a great time watching Uri. Uri is a really nice movie, and it was really sweet of Vicky Kaushal to invite me to the screening. I got to talk to a lot of people there, and they were really sweet to me. They were very welcoming, which was really overwhelming for me.
Yeah, so the historic ring of yours. Have you repeated again after that sometime? After that, the historic ring?
I've done it a lot of times in front of media. Other than that, I've not winked at any guy or anything.
So Priya, जब बॉलीवुड का आप हिस्सा हो, आप बॉलीवुड में एंटर करने जा रहे हैं, हाल ही में आज एक न्यूज़ आई है कि राजकुमार रानी पे उन पे केस किया गया है,
कि सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट को लेकर और विक्की भी उस फिल्म का हिस्सा थे, उस पर आपका क्या कहना है? और आप भी बॉलीवुड का हिस्सा होने, यार कुछ फियर भी आपके मन में इस तरह की बातें अब जब सुनती हैं?
I don't know how to answer to that question actually. Yeah, obviously everyone has this tension when they are entering into the film industry. Obviously everyone has that. But then I dreamt of becoming an actress from a very young age. So that's my dream. So all the tensions apart, I really want to do this.
Yeah, Sridevi was very good in dancing and all. How are you in dancing?
I've learned classical dance when I was young, and I think I can manage to dance also.
You can manage, but not.
I wouldn't say I'm a great dancer, but then yeah, I can manage to dance.
But then it's a film, right? So it's teamwork. So the choreographer comes in, then there's rehearsals. So finally the end product is going to be much better than her capability, right? It's teamwork.
Are you watching Priyanshu? Have you seen any of his work?
Yes, I've seen a lot of his works. Yeah.
He's senior than you. What
Yes.
will be learning from him?
Yes, I'm going to get a lot to learn from him.
Yeah.
Priyanshu, happy New Year to both of you.
Same to you.
You have surprised everyone with your coming in the new year with unannounced. Was it a plan to amaze everyone and come down in this film industry and make an announcement? Because no one knew that you were coming here and you started entertaining everybody.
It was not planned. When the director came up with the script, I found it very interesting, and it's a heroine-oriented movie, so I felt the script was very strong. So it would give me a good start in Bollywood. So I thought I'd go with it.
हिंदी में comfortable है बोलने में?
हिंदी में comfortable हूँ, पर थोड़ा सा अटक जाऊंगी बीच में तो.
अच्छा बोल रहे हैं, अच्छी बोल रहे हैं.
What about the location? Malayalam movie location है हिंदी
ओके प्रियांशु, आप दोनों से सवाल है कि जब हम ट्रेलर जो हमने अभी तक देखा, जितने भी टीजर हमने देखा, वो हम सबको या कोई भी देखेगा और जो भी श्रीदेवी को जानता है या उनका फैन रहा है, एक जहन में सवाल आता है, क्या ये श्रीदेवी की जो उनका देहांत हुआ उस पर कहानी है? क्या आपको इस बात का डर है कहीं श्रीदेवी के घर से इस बात को लेकर ऑब्जेक्ट करें?
ये सवाल आपका वाजिब है, लेकिन ये सवाल हमारी तरफ ना बनता है, ये बनता है प्रोड्यूसर और डायरेक्टर की तरफ। हम लोग तो सिर्फ टीम का हिस्सा अपना अपना किरदार निभाएंगे, तो बुलाइए।
I'd like to stick to what he said.
Which film would you like to be part of?
Like very recently?
अच्छी बोलती हो आप, बोलिए।
मैं चाहूँगी कि सिम्बा का पार्ट बनो।
और मेरा आँख मारे।
हाँ, लड़की, हाँ। ओके।
और रणवीर सिंह से आप मिले, आपने कहा कि भाई सारा की जगह मुझे होना चाहिए था।
There were a lot of rumors that मैं कर रही हूँ सिम्बा में, और I wish that was true because I'm a great fan of his. मैंने उनको देखा कल और मैंने बताया उनको कि आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ योर्स, और उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि आई रियली लाइक योर विंग, व्हिच वाज ओवरवेलमिंग फॉर मी।
लोगों को सालों लग जाते हैं रणवीर सिंह पास पहुंचने में और सेल्फी लेने में, आपने तो मुंबई में आने के 48 घंटे में ही काम कर लिया।
I'd like to thank Vicky for that, for inviting me to watch Uri. बिल्कुल एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था कि रणवीर सिंह आने वाले थे, और I was literally freezing there watching him come. He is such an energetic person, and I think there's a lot that someone has to learn from him as an actor.
आपको एहसास है कि अब आप इस इंडस्ट्री में आ रही हैं, आपको आलिया भट्ट, जानवी, सारा, इन लोगों के समकक्ष नापा जाएगा, और you will be in the league or probably be among themselves. आप इसको कैसे देखती हैं?
They're all very senior actors, first of all, and they're doing their work very well. I just want to do my thing and create an own space for myself. That's it.
आपका जो सेंसेशनल जो आप करने वाला जो वायरल हो गया था, इस साल में कुछ नया कुछ देने का है लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि लोग आपके लिए उस वीडियो से आपका नाम बना, पूरे मुंबई में, पूरे महाराष्ट्र में, पूरे इंडिया में, पूरे वर्ल्ड में आपका नाम, तो कुछ टिप्स कुछ ऐसा है जो इस साल आप देंगे?
अभी तो सब लोग ऐसे विंग के जैसे ही जानते हैं, पर what I want is कि people accept me as an actress as a whole, not just about the wing.
मैम
उनको गिले बता दीजिए।
Oh yeah, two. Ready? Okay, done.
Thank you.
अभी देखा और एक्चुअली मैंने भी पहली बार देखा, मुझे बहुत पसंद आया और जितना एक्सपेक्टेशन थी उससे बेहतर बन के आया है। And now we are all set to go and go for the shoot, and we're gonna finish the shoot in mid of February, and then hopefully we are looking for the release in April. Actually मैं इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कह सकता इस बारे में, so let the people decide and let them see, because I'm not I mean I can't tell that.
पहली बात तो मुझे अलाउड नहीं है, आई नेवर गॉट परमिशन टू से एनीथिंग अबाउट फिल्म, बट आई कैन ऑलवेज से अबाउट माई कैरेक्टर that I must not say my characters also, because I never got permission for that also. So it's a wonderful script and wonderful promo also. It's been shot very well, and hope you will see. जी
See, Prashant sir is the director of the film. He approached me for the film, and I seen his previous work, and he's a very technical guy, and the story is very good. It has a lot of twist and turn. It has a lot of mystery element in it, which will definitely intrigue the audience. That's the USP of the film, and also the name of the film will give you a hint that it's all gonna be about. So let's see what happens.
सर इसके बारे में तो डायरेक्टर और प्रोड्यूसर आप बता सकते हैं, हम तो एक्टर हैं। जब सर
इतने सब मेहनत करने अगर ऑब्जेक्शन आता है,
हाँ।
you will be facing it.
See, we are actors basically, and objection आता है कुछ गलत है तो of course it's producers and directors thing to look out. But I personally feel there is nothing there to be objectionable. ऐसा कुछ गलत नहीं है जो इसमें कोई इस तरीके का क्वेश्चन आना चाहिए. That's my
और उसके लिए फिल्म पूरी खत्म हो जाए दो, आप देख लेना पूरी फिल्म, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्शन की बात आएगी.
I'm playing the hero within the film, who's connected with this girl Shri Devi, and we are having situations in the film, in the entire film, and actually I cannot tell much about it because the more I say, the more I'll speak the beans. I'll spill the beans. So it's let it be like the surprise element should be there.
Any particular role you're playing?
Yeah, in this film, I'm playing the role of this guy called Akshay. So he's the actor in the film. Film within the film, he's the hero. Within the film, he's the hero.
मैं अपने बारे में बता नहीं सकता क्योंकि मैं ऐसा पार्ट हूँ इस फिल्म का जो कभी भी ट्विस्ट ला सकता है.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
To the director, the moment we see this film, we have seen this teaser. It gives us the story about Sridevi incident which happened in the
First watch movie and you decide.
No, if you see the entire sequence in the teaser.
That's the suspense.
That is suspense. This is suspense thriller movie.
I agree if you say suspense movie. You are using the name of Sridevi.
Yeah.
You are using the incident which happened around that. Are you encashing her incident?
No, this Sridevi is our character name. Lakhs of Sridevis living in India. Worldwide, lakhs of Sridevis name. This is a suspense thriller movie. You see first movie release, you watch movie, and you decide.
But how come there are so many similarities? You know, Sridevi is star, your character is star. She is abroad. She died in that so-called condition. How many similarities? How can you say this?
Can I talk in English?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
The thing is actually this is actually very suspense. That's usually like we can't reveal the real factor which is happening behind the subject. So that is in the subject.
But this is a different experience for you.
This is a purely different from the story which we are seeing with this. The one you asked us. It is purely different from the original situation. But see, something is there.
You watch movie.
It is very suspense and we can't reveal it. That's the main thing.
You are encashing her incident.
It's not
No,
that
When
easy.
you say Sridevi, when you say it's a star, it's a star. So in case you ask, might be your marketing strategy where you want to so that he
നിങ്ങൾ പടം കാണും അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഒന്നും പറയാൻ പറ്റുന്ന സാഹചര്യമാണ്.
He's telling that he can't disclose anything further. The thing is actually it's a kind of.
Are you encashing her incident?
No. രണ്ട് കാണിക്കുമ്പോൾ ചോദിക്കണേ.
വാച്ച് മൂവി പറഞ്ഞു പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
Yeah, he's telling that he can't reveal that.
This is cinema. Suspense. This movie. This content is suspense. Sorry, sir. I
Can't reveal it.
Watch movie and you decide it. Before I can't tell anything.
Are you afraid somebody from Sridevi family comes across and says you are doing wrong?
No. Yeah, face it. No problem.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, no problem. I face
Someone comes across and says you are using Sridevi's name and
it. No. No. Sure.
He's ready to face it. Someone comes and asks he's ready to face it.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.